Before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing with a brief meditation. So sit up tall with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Your hands can be resting on your thighs, either palms facing up or palms facing down. And gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. As you take your next inhale through your nose, feel your spine growing nice and tall. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, maintain that length and space while relaxing your shoulders and your neck and your jaw. On the next deep inhale, feel your sternum or your chest rising. You may also feel your abdomen filling. And gently exhale through your nose. On your next deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling tense. And at the top, hold your breath for a few seconds. And then exhale slowly through your nose, as slowly as you can, feeling that tension release and feeling a sense of calm. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This math problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 4 of the SAT test, which does allow calculators. And it says, which of the following equations relates y to x for the values in the table above? So have a look at this, see what you can do. It's all right if you're not sure how to approach it. You can even just take a guess. And in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. So we have a table of x and y values, and we're trying to figure out which equation matches the table. So one of the important tricks that I like to emphasize is to focus on the y-intercept, especially if you have linear relationships. So if you have a graph, it'll be wherever the line crosses the y-intercept, and that'll be the value of y when x is equal to 0. If you have an algebraic expression, you probably know that the y-intercept is going to be the value of b. That's the value of y when x is equal to 0. And in a word problem, there's probably some sort of rate involved. And it might be people racing, it might be the price of a rental, but the y-intercept is going to be whatever that one-time cost is at the very beginning, or the starting position or the head start that one runner might be having over another runner at the very beginning. Those pieces of information are going to be very helpful in solving SAT math problems. Let's have a look at this. Look at our table of data. One thing we notice is that the data is fortunately in equal increments. The x value is going up by 1 in each column, and the y value is also going up in equal increments. 25 fourths minus 11 fourths is 14 fourths. And we can see that 14 fourths is in fact the difference between all of the consecutive cells in the row for the y value. So what would I have if I wanted to look at the y-intercept? Well, let's make another column over here to go from 1 to 0 is also a difference of 1. So that'll give me the x value of 0. And again, the difference between the y values in each cell is 14 fourths. So 11 fourths minus 14 fourths is going to give me negative 3 fourths. So that's what I'm going to have for my y value when x is equal to 0, negative 3 fourths. And what do you know? That's what we have right there. So in fact, D is the answer. It's the only equation where the y-intercept is negative 3 fourths. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. It helps us know where to focus when we have a lot of information. Focusing on the y-intercept, where you set x equal to 0, will help you analyze in a very meaningful way the relationship between the variables, and in fact may very quickly lead to the answer as it did here. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy. If you have any questions or any requests or any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.